Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add the home control shortcut to the control center on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in the Settings screen, swipe up to go down, and then tap on Control Center. In here, we swipe up to go down to remove the home control shortcut from the control center. You tap on the remove button in the included controls section and then tap on remove, and that will remove the home control shortcut. To add the home control shortcut to the control center, you go down to the more controls section and tap on the add button right next to the home icon, and that's it. So now it has been added to the control center. To access the home control, just swipe down at the top to open up the control center. In here, tap on the home control shortcut, and this will open up My Home. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.